Hello, this is Michelle with PaperStampInk. If you like designer series paper as much as I do, I've got a deal for you. I've got a way for you to get your hands on all of the gorgeous designer series paper from the new catalog at a fraction of the price. It's my new paper share. So what I do with my paper share, and I'm not going to go through all of these papers in detail on this video because I do have another one where I showcase the full sheets. So I'm going to link that down below so that you can tune into that if you want to see all of them up close and personal. These are going to be available for you to order on January 3rd from the catalog. However, if you want the product share, you're going to need to let me know that you would like to order that by January 2nd. I know this is a tight timeline. I got behind with all the holidays and things going on and getting this information out to you, but I did want to still offer it for my customers who enjoy the paper shares. So let me know by the 2nd. I will invoice you and I will need you to make payment on that invoice by the end of the day on January 2nd. So we're just a couple days away from being able to place orders. All of these are going to come in 6x6 sheets, and each of these will be packaged up based on the designer series paper set. And then on that envelope packaging, you will also get a list of all of the coordinating colors that go with each of these paper series. I am including in my paper share some of the free designer series paper that you can get when you place a $50 order. So you're going to get those thrown in as a bonus from me. You can only get these papers when you place a $50 order. They're not available from the actual catalog, and that includes, let me go ahead and pull those out here. While I'm getting those pulled out, I'll let you know you are going to get a total of 108 sheets of paper in this. So that is, think about how many cards you can make with 108 sheets of designer series paper. Oh my gosh, you're going to be busy for quite a while. So this is the Lasting Lily, or Lily Impressions. So I think Lasting Lily is the name of the stamp set that coordinates with it. And so you get these gorgeous, they're like impressionistic type paintings, and they all have the lilies. And then on the back side, you've got these gorgeous, they look like paint on canvas to me is what they remind me of. Just these gorgeous tone on tone colors that are great for backgrounds as well. So that is the Lily Impressions paper. And then, so you're going to get 6 sheets of that. And then you're also going to get 6 sheets of the Golden Honey designer series paper. And this has all this beautiful gold foil detailing in there. And then on the opposite side, we've got our black and white designs. And I just love these. This is probably one of my favorites. Those little flowers are just so happy. But this the other side of the striped one here too. I love those bees with the gold foiling on the flowers. So there is a stamp set that coordinates with that as well, but you can only get those papers when you place a $50 order. I can't show you the inside of the catalog yet, but I will show you the outside. Remind you guys, celebration is a great time for getting free products. So every time you spend $50 or $100, there's free items that you can select from. And I do have a sneak peek of some of the items that I ordered. I will link that below. Again, this will be available on January 3rd for ordering. And make sure that you get your orders in on some of these free items. They may disappear before the end of the celebration time, which goes through March 31st. But if you wait too long, some of those items, I'm guessing some of this designer series paper might run out before we get to the end of March. So just a little forewarning. So you get a total of 108 sheets. So that includes 96 from the regular catalog, as well as the 12 sheets that are the specialty papers that you can only get from the celebration items. So with those, you get those shipped, and you will get them for $34 with shipping. Okay, so that is a great deal, and you're going to be able to make, tons of cards. You got 108 sheets, so you're going to make at least 108 cards. If you don't if you just cut them down as panels, you're still going to have strips that you can use on other cards. So I'm going to say you can very easily make 150 cards out of this designer series paper. And it's a great way to get a little bit of a taste of the paper and know which ones you want to order full packs of, because which are your favorites that you want to make sure you have on hand for the future. I am offering a different paper share this time around where I'm going to offer swatches. So these swatches are great for people who just want to have a little bit to kind of look and see what papers they like. They're awesome for demonstrators, for you to be able to take them to your classes. Maybe you're not able to order all of the papers and have them on hand. This way you can get a sampling of them. So the way that paper share works is it will be one half of a 6x6. So you're going to get a 3x6 size sheet, which is a nice big size for you to still be able to see all the patterns. They're going to be grouped by item. There's going to be a swatch on the top, a piece of cardstock on the top of each swatch that will give you the name of the designer series paper, as well as all of the coordinating colors. And I don't have one handy to show you guys, but they will be hole punched in the top left corner, and there will be a binding system so that those can all be held together. I will be putting them together as a individual one, so by item or by designer series paper. So if you want to put them all together, you can definitely get a ring binder or something, and you can disengage them and put them all on one clip system. But with those, you're going to get one sheet of each of these, and that is going to be $23 for that. So you're going to have a lot of paper to share with your customers and the ability to check out all the papers without again purchasing them. So that is $23 for that share, and you will get one of each. So this is the front side and the back side. You're going to get one of each of these sheets so that you can easily flip through and not have to be flipping it back and forth to see the front and the back. So if you're interested in those, what you need to do is email me at PaperStampInk@gmail.com by the end of the day on January 2nd. So the end of the day, I'm considering for me 8 p.m. Mountain Time. Email those to me. I will take your order. Let me know if you want the 6x6 paper share or the swatch book share, and I will send you a PayPal invoice. You will need to turn around and make payment on that promptly so that I can place your order and get those out to you on the place that order on the 3rd, so I can get them in, turn around, cut everything down, repackage it, and get it to you as soon as possible. I anticipate that I will be able to mail those out by the 15th of January. If I'm able to do it sooner, then I will definitely do so. It all depends on the timing of shipping coming to me as well. I hope that you enjoy all of the beautiful products Stampin' Up! Has from our occasion sale catalog and celebration catalog. If you need any products, make sure you check out my website. You can shop directly from the link there, www.paperstampink.com. I will provide a link below. Thank you for supporting my business. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the idea of paper shares. Have a great day till we meet again. Make sure you grab your paper, stamp, and ink, and do something creative.